In today's video, we're going to make a pony bead ghost. You'll need approximately 50 white pony beads and a couple of black pony beads. And I'm using a keyring chain, or keyring actually, right here. And silk cord. You can use whatever cord you normally like to use with your pony bead characters or animals, whatever you like to call it. So we'll want to take our cord and make it even, and then we're going to make a loop at the other end. So let's make sure it's even, and then here's our loop. We're going to take our key ring and see where it's slotted up here. I always like to do it on the bottom of that. So we're actually going to place the loop inside of the ring. We're going to take our fingers and put them through the little ring and pull those two strings out. So those two pieces of cord we're going to pull out. So go ahead and pull that out and tighten it up. And that's actually called, I believe, a lark's head knot. It's used in macrame amongst other things. So we're going to go ahead and place that down. And I like to use tape. So I want to make sure you can see this. Now we're going to take that right side of the silk cord and place it through the 4 white pony beads. It should easily guide through, and pull out the end on the other side and just pull up gently, and that'll be your first row. Now we're going to start our next row, and that's going to be 1 white, 1 black, 1 white, 1 black, and 1 white. Do the same on the right side. Place that cord through the left side all the way. And then we're going to take the ends and pull up. Next row, we're going to place 5 white pony beads on the left-hand side of the silk cord. Take the right side of the cord and place it through the pony beads on the left side, and follow the same pattern of grabbing the ends and pulling up gently. Next row, we're going to add another row of 5 white pony beads. Continue doing the same procedure using the cord on the right-hand side, placing it through the left-hand side and pulling on the ends. Next row, we're adding 6 pony beads. Again, for the rest of this project, the pony beads will be white. Now we're going to add 7 pony beads. After you do that, you're going to want to do the same procedure with placing that right cord inside of the pony beads on the left and pull up on the ends. For the next 2 rows, we're going to add 8 of the pony beads. So we're going to add 8 on this row and then 8 on the next row, and that will do it for our pony beads. And then I'm going to show you how to tie off. And again, this is our last row, and you're going to place 8 of the pony beads on the cord. Now it's time to tie the silk cord. So just make a loop on the left side, make a loop, pull the loop through the string. We're just gonna make a simple knot here, pull it all the way down. You can secure that knot. You can even make 2 of the knots if you want, whatever you wanna do to make it secure. And then after you do your knot, you'll do it on both sides. Again, you can place 2 knots here. I only did 1 for time purposes. And then we're going to take our scissors when we're done with this. So pull it all the way down, get it nice and secure, and then we're gonna get our scissors. So we're just gonna give it a snip right here on each side. And then like I said, if you wanna put nail polish, however you secure the end of your knots with the silk cord, go ahead and do that. And that's gonna do it for our Pony Bead Ghost. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I will see you at the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.